Good day, my fellow viewers. My name is BOL RAM, and I'd like to give a presentation on the ABET's professional skills. ABET reaffirmed a set of hard skills and added a second equally important set of 6 professional skills to its new engineering accreditation criteria: communication, teamwork, knowledge of ethics, and professionalism are examples of these last skills, which we call process skills. Engineering in a global and social context, lifelong learning, and knowledge of current issues are also referred to as awareness skills. We examine these abilities in terms of how they can be taught, or more accurately, learned, and provide a number of examples of successful and or promising applications. Then we discuss how difficult it is to assess these abilities. We are pleased with the innovative ways in which these skills are taught and learned, particularly at schools that use global and service learning, as well as engineering design projects to teach and reinforce outcome combinations. We are also encouraged by the work being done to assess these abilities, but we recognize that much more research is needed. Thank you so much for taking your time to listening to my presentation, and see you next time. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.